Guys, I created a simple ad with CapCut AI and it came out so well. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do that. The first thing you want to do is open your CapCut app and go to the home page. In the home page, you get to see different AI tools. You click on the Video Studio. Now, in the home page of the Video Studio, you get to choose the model that you want to use. For this video, I use Seedance 2.0 mini because it's free. The other one, the new Seedance 2.5, you have to be a Pro Plan subscriber to access that model. Now, using this 2.0 mini, you just have to click on your orientation and check out for the orientation that you want it to be. Then you upload your product to it as well. The picture of the product you want to animate or you want to make a video of, make sure you have the picture ready so that you can easily upload it. Then you copy the prompt and add the prompt, and then you just give it time to cook. And it has finished processing, and then you can just easily see how nice the result is. This video is intended to be used as a reel. That's why I chose 9:16. If you want it landscape, you can choose whatever ratio that works for you. As you can see in the video, you can see that even the watermark that came along with the picture was retained. Like, that is the benefit of you having your pictures uploaded instead of just having description with text. Make sure it is the picture of your product that you want to animate that is uploaded there. Another thing I also like with this result is the natural flow of the movement. Now, the way the spoon was held and lifted is just the natural way anybody that wants to eat a parfait will hold the spoon and just raise it. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this too, and if you've already tried it, let us know the results you got. Did it come out natural like mine, or you got something else? Just let us know. But for now, check out this video.